Hey guys, we're back with part 2. If you didn't catch the first part, check that out. We got a Brandon Belt rookie card auto, black heritage Eric Sogard, and a black refractor Alex Cobb auto. So now we got the 12 packs left, and we're looking for the best. David Wright refractor, Gabby Sanchez, Brandon Belt rookie card, and Jared Weaver. Blue, Josh Hamilton, Nelson Cruz, Kendrys Morales blue. That is numbered 90 of 99. That's cool. And then Eduardo Nunez rookie card on the bottom. Sean Rodriguez, Shane Victorino, Brent Burrell rookie, and Ben Revere rookie. Alex Rodriguez, Carlos Beltran refractor, Ryan Ludwig, Johan Santana, and a checklist. Ricky Romero, Justin Upton, Carlos Santana, Heritage 1962, and Mark Teixeira. Matt Garza, Ryan Braun, Heritage Vintage Chrome, Angel Pagan, and Derek Lee. Ryan Zimmerman, Starlin Castro, Shin-Soo Choo refractor, and Grady Sizemore. Brian Wilson, Atomic Vinny Perstano, numbered 31 of 225. BJ Upton and Jason Worth. CJ Wilson, Jorge Posada, Matt Holliday, CJ Wilson, all base packs. Jonathan Sanchez, Ichiro, Chris Sale, refractor, Sean Figgins, and another checklist. Alright, last pack of this hobby box, guys. Vernon Wells, Josh Hamilton, 1962. Tommy Hanson, and Chad Billingsley. Alright, so that was a really good box. I'm happy with that. Subscribe for more breaks soon. Thanks.